Outside is so nice today. Alright guys, I wanted to make this quick video because I've been having door issues. You will close your door or whatever, the door will be closed, but for some reason the indicator will be on and says that the door is not closed. It's been like that since I bought the car actually. Now I actually came with a new well, not new, but like a replacement. Now I've seen videos on how to to actually get it out, but they always skipped a few parts, and it's like to actually get the one that's in out. So when you have that one in, and you have yet to remove those three bolts that holds it up, there's this metal bracket. This one, that bracket, it sits in there or whatever. Kind of got it in, and it has like basically it's a 10 mil bolt, well 10 mil nut. You can just get a ratchet, get that out of there. If not, I think this part right here, I didn't try it, but you can probably pop this off and you will be able to get that with actual ratchet with an extension if you don't have a wrench. But these come in handy. Go get it. Go get a set. Do it. There's this part right here. This little freaking, whatever you can call this shit. I'm sorry for the language. I'm annoyed. This part right here, like it has this has a little wire line to it that actually goes, that hooks into there and snaps onto this little lip or whatever. And then you have the long bar that actually goes inside that hole. Once you remove that bracket, I still had it on the shit. Once you remove that bracket, you have access to both. So when it's actually on the car and you want to take it out without breaking that piece, but it doesn't matter if you got a replacement part, it doesn't matter, you're gonna break it because out of the way, I broke it, so it's okay. But the one that it comes with, if it's not broken, then all is well. Doing all this is not hard. It's just a bunch of tens, man, like a bunch of tens and screws and stuff. But hopefully that part helped. If it didn't help, I'm sorry, but it helped me, and it probably might help somebody. Might not be you, but it's gonna be somebody. Alright, so I messed up. I'm over here. I put everything together and I closed the door and I couldn't open it. So this is supposed to go on the bottom. I have it on the top like an idiot. This goes so the more yellowy color, it might be green, goes on the bottom. The more darker color goes on the top. So I had these the wrong way. Idiot. Alright, let's try this again. I'm over here like, oh, I can't drive my car. Alright, so yellow one and then top one. Alright, let's try this again. I'm just go ahead and enter the door just to make sure it closes and it opens. First test, it closed. Oh shit, oops. Yo. It's all right. 2-1 for the team. All right. Test number 2. Get your ass. I don't got no door handle. Test number 2. And it opens from the inside. Spare feet. Bitch. Just to test the install, we're gonna lock. Unlock. Beautiful. Now, this is how I know it works. I just close the door like I just let it go. Boom. Now, before, I actually had to push the door in. I had to push it in just to lock it. Let's see. Magic. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you watched the video to this point, I appreciate you. Till next time. Peace.